My name is Gary Armini and I'm bringing you this week's CFX update. This is an update for the weekend in the 4th of December 2020. The week's trading returns achieved for the week ending the 4th of December 2020 was 5.69%. As you can see in the image, if you are a new member and have started on the 300 pack, then you would have received $11.95. If, however, you have managed to progress right the way up to a 100k pack, then you would have received $3,983. Remember, this is a weekly passive return, a return achieved for you by professional traders. You can see all the returns achieved for all the other packs in between by just looking down the list for the pack you are on. Also remember, these returns are trading returns only and what members will receive even if they have done nothing more than purchase a trading pack. So these returns will apply to all members of CFX, both passive and active members. If on the other hand, you are an active member, then you will also be earning all the other bonuses and commissions from your team and matrix. And let's not forget, some passive members may also be earning from the matrix too if they have been lucky enough to receive spillover. In the description section below, you will find a link to the latest corporate webinars, which will give you an overview of this business. If you have not yet got on board with this remarkable business and need a reminder of what it's all about, then check out my brief overview video. The link to this can also be found in the description section below. Thank you for watching this video, have a great week, and I wish you good health and success in whatever you choose to do.